How to fix Do Not Disturb not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix if the Do Not Disturb is not working on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to fix if Do Not Disturb is not working on iPhone, it is quite simple. So in my case, as you can see, I already have the DND mode turned on, but if it's not working in yours, even if it's turned on, first of all you can enable this by swiping down from your control panel and then going to this focus mode and tapping on Do Not Disturb. Now it could not be actually working properly because there could be some issues, or maybe you have added some exceptions. To figure this out, you can tap the three dots option and go to settings. And when you go to settings, you'll be able to see all the exception rules of your Do Not Disturb. So make sure that you've not added any sort of exceptions and that they are the way as it is. After you've done that, the thing that I want you to do is you can simply come and open the settings application here, go to general, software update, and ensure that you are using the latest up-to-date version of iOS. This way you can fix if the Do Not Disturb mode is not working on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.